the breaking update that is now coming in, where protest once again has now erupted in Shimla over the illegal said construction of another masjid. Now, protesters say that this masjid was raised near a mandir in an unauthorized manner, and this is a different protest that we are talking about, but in Shimla, where the locals have been protesting around a different masjid. Let's take a quick update from Amandeep right now. Amandeep, another now masjid that is now under the question of illegal construction. What is these latest protests all about?
Well, absolutely, Amita. Today, the latest protest is happening in Shimla, Sunni. This is another town in district Shimla, and in fact, the locals have came out on the road protesting against an illegal structure of a mosque, and claiming that it has been raised nearby the temple, which was not being allowed. And even they are demanding that this should be demolished with the immediate effect, and they have gathered in the roads. The entire market was closed in the protest. Vipar Mandal, all the locals and several Hindu outfits, they all are together raising the slogans against this illegal structure and even demanding from the government to demolish it at the earliest. And in fact, Amita, the point is that after Sanjoli Masjid, there are several protests that are happening in the different parts of Himachal, including Kullu, including Mandi, even Sunni also. So they are all alleging that several illegal structures of the mosques have been raised in their areas that need to be demolished, and the way Sanjoli people are demanding. So after Sanjoli, now another location has also been identified, and the people of another area of Shimla, that is Sunni, has also come out against the illegal structure of mosque and demanding to demolish it at the earliest. Yes, Amita.
All right, but even these protests that has been called out, exactly what is the administration now saying over this? Because as far as the Sanjoli Mosque area is concerned, the entire area that has been cordoned off, it's been prohibited, orders that have been put in place. What about the other side of the story as we talk about this mosque?
Well, absolutely, Amita. In fact, the administration is now trying to approach, and the people are also trying to approach administration regarding this illegal structure, just because so far there was no such information regarding any complaint against this masjid, and even the administration has not mentioned any kind of case that was received from the locals or from anybody regarding the illegal structure of Sunni Masjid. So let's wait and watch, just because this protest has all of a sudden came out and people all of a sudden demanding it. They came out on the road. So let's wait. Either they have complaint in the administration or the MC regarding this unauthorized structure, or they yet to file any complaint, so that at least the authorities can respond to that complaint. Yes.